2021 Toyota Camry V6. Really beautiful car. It's got graphics on it and everything. And I like the American flag right there. That's sexy. You know they are built in the USA, so just want to let you guys know about Toyota. Anyway, it's got factory converters there. Factory converter there. Third converter there. Then what we did is took two resonators off right there. You see them? And installed a vibrant in the middle, the longer one. Part number 1791. If you guys want to find it, there'll be a link in the description. There it is. Look at them welds. Beautiful. Then we took that. There's a secondary resonator that's usually there. We took it out and replaced it with pipe 2 1/4. And yesterday we did a muffler delete there and there and put some quad tips on it just to complete the look, make it the sporty look, which I think it looks phenomenal. As you guys can see, I don't have the mufflers from yesterday, but there's the two resonators we cut off right there. Huge one and a baby one. Replaced it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And we also have a link in the description for merch that if you guys want to support us, you can buy some merch off of that. We're going to expand it, so. 20 Toyota Camry. What we got done on this thing, this is the third time he brings it. It's a V6 TRD. So it's got factory converter there, factory converter up there, third converter there. Then we did a mid muffler delete or mid resonator delete right there. And mid resonator number 2 delete there. And we straight piped it earlier in the year there and there. And put some quad tips on it to complete the look. So now it's fully straight pipe. The next step is a high flow third cap. If you want it louder, we can do that next. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. We've got a couple of videos on these, so on this one especially, with vibrance, with a magna pack, and now he wants it just straight piped. He wants it as loud as possible. Annoy the neighbors, which I don't blame him, and his friends. My kind of guy. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. See how it's clean? The vibrant gives it that really clean sound.
Hell yeah!
You want to be on camera or no? You guys should see his face, his reaction. He loves it. Yeah, that sounds really nice. Again? 106 out of a Camry, guys. Come on. You gotta admit that sounds really nice. And it is the XSE again? That sounds exotic, bro. That sounds beautiful. That's awesome. Again? Go on and back it out. Previous owner. Still looks good though.
I love it.
The best part is the American flag though.
Yeah. Well, actually, I had to do American flag.
Yeah. Got stripes on the top. As nice. 21 Toyota Camry V6. Muffler delete and vibrant in the middle. Let you guys hear it on the inside. We appreciate the shout out. Oh, that sounds good, man. Whoa. Much better. That sounds awesome. 115, man. That is awesome. Yeah. It does. What's the difference between the two? Motor-wise, anything? I don't think so.
Same engine. So
Huh.
I think the difference is
It's just the package, I think.
Yeah.
Got some custom vinyl all the way around. Looks good. That's what we should have done from the start. That sounds so sick. Out of a Camry, guys. We give it the exhaust addicts touch. Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Camry with vibrant in the mid, vibrant bottles, and rear delete with quad tips. It's not bad. I like it.